Hey guys, here we are. We've got siding on your house, which is super exciting. And you've got your little fence here for your utilities. And we've got drywall up. So you can see you've got your board and batten siding that's going to go this way. The vinyl is up here. And look at this, your trim is going in too. Ooh, cabinets in. Windows. I just want to point out too how nice this is, how they've caulked all of this. So it's all really nice and smooth. This is so exciting. Return air vent there. Look at this, guys. How fun. I was trying to see if those white spots are still here. It kind of looks like maybe they are. Yeah. Still in there. But I know he said he'd try to get that taken care of for you. Got your back doors. I love how when this is screened in, how you can open that up and just like really expand your whole living space out here. It's awesome. Your bathroom counter is in. And your shower. Closet. I wanted to go back out here and just get a quick little picture from back here to kind of show you how nice and open this will be. All right, guys. Again, here's your backyard. Walk around here on this side. You can see here you've got your thing has been relocated. From the outside, you can see your windows.